Hello, welcome back. Let's revise some suku kata. Na, bi, mu, ba, mi, su, ma, si, ku, nu, sa, ki, ni, bu, ka. Now I want to do a test using a small piece of paper. So get a piece of paper, put it about 2 or 3 centimeters in front of your lips. Say kite in English, and then say kaki in Malay. What do you think will happen? Let me show you my results. Kite, kaki, kaki, kite. Both the words begin with the same letter. When I say kite in English, the paper moves. This shows a strong puff of air. But when I say kaki in Malay, the paper stays mostly still. So we can clearly see the difference in the puff of air for the k sound in English and Malay. Now let's look at this word. In English, this word is pronounced with a strong puff of air. Top. In Malay, it's top. Can you hear the difference? Now let's try the puff of air test using your hand. Hold your hand in front of your mouth. Say top in English. Can you feel the air? Now say top in Malay. Notice there's very little air. So now let's learn our new sound for today. In English, this letter sound is T. In Malay, it's similar, but we say it more softly. We make the sound with the tongue behind the teeth here. So in Malay, the tongue should be closer to the teeth than in English. We say t, t, t. Here we have t, a, ta, ta, ta. This is tali, tali. Tali is rope. Here we have e, t, t, t. This is tiga, tiga. Tiga is number 3. Here we have t, U, tu, tu, tu. This is tu, jo, tu, jo. Tujuh, it's number 7. Let's practice some more. Ta, ti, tu, tu, ti, ta, ti, tu, ta. Let's learn some more words. Here we have E, and this is tu. Put them together, we have E, tu. E, tu. Itu means that. That is a horse. Itu kuda. Here we have ka, and this is ta. Put them together. Ka, ta. Ka, ta. Kata means say. How do we write this letter? This is easy. We start at the top and draw a straight line down. And in the middle, draw a short line across. Okay? We do not want it to be too long. Just a short line across. So that's it. You made a lowercase letter, and in Malay we say that's all we have for now. So remember, the more you practice, the better you get. Bye bye, I'll see you again.